remote, ancient Kimberley coast of northwest Australia. For thousands of years, humpback whales have migrated here to mate and have their young.
The drive to migrate is unbelievable. They're hardwired. The predictability of their migration gave them really close call with extinction. In 1963, there was between 200 and 300 humpback whales in this West Australian population.
World-renowned marine biologists Kurt and Mish Jenner have studied humpbacks for 25 years. Their groundbreaking work was instrumental in identifying Camden Sound as the epicentre of the breeding grounds and having it designated as a whale sanctuary.
Over the last 25 years, they've now recovered to the point where there's probably 33,000 animals, and obviously that calving ground is absolutely critical to that.
Now, Kurt and Mish return to the Kimberley, equipped with cutting-edge technology.
All right, tags away in a good spot.
Using satellite tags, they attempt to follow a female and record the vital first hours of the life of her newborn calf. Quadcopter cameras prove to be a scientific revelation, giving them a unique perspective on the male's violent battles for dominance.
40 tonnes of animal whacking against each other, that really does inflict awful injuries.
And capturing an extraordinary event, the victor's courtship of a female.
Really, we haven't seen anything like this in the 25 years that we've been doing this, so it's pretty incredible.
Their new night vision cameras reveal a desperate battle in the darkness as a mother tries to protect her calf from marauding males.
These males could breach on top of that calf and crush the calf.
It's an expedition that will change their understanding of the place they call the birthplace of the giants.